Never tried this. Nantaw ko og mukbang. Kuan magluto kog noodles kay gutom ako. We are here at one of the must-try places here in Bayawan City named All-in-One. There are 3 All-in-One spots in Negros Oriental and one of them is here in Bayawan City. Why is it a must-try place here in Bayawan City? We'll find out. It's called All-in-One because it's like a convenience store where you can get most of everything. Imported chocolates, imported products from outside of the country. But did ako favorite Doritos and Pringles and ice cream vending machine. I am gonna try that later. There are juices, naishopao, there are coffees, other stuff from Korea like noodles. I'm gonna try that later also. Naslay Bulldog, very popular on TikTok. Some juices. These are also trending on TikTok. It is sold at a very low price, 50 pesos. And there's also ice for 15 pesos. A cooking station for where you want to cook your Korean-style food, noodles. We're gonna be cooking there later. Drinks, like your normal convenience store. Toiletries, like wines and spirits. Okay, that's a lot. And there's also a pharmacy. So that's our Miss Pharmacist. Okay. Mga staff na. Sige, thank you. So, that's that. Na po yung mga canned goods. So, mogin niya ang na-intrigue na ako. The imported ni siya ng mga stuff. These are actually the real deal. Try taog noodles. Kanang bulldog with cheese. Hopefully, dili kay siya spicy because I cannot handle spice that well. But I will try it for your sake, guys, to see if it is really good. Bestseller. So, this is pink ang bestseller. Oh, so, pink di unta ang bestseller pero nahurot na sold out. So, usog gili ay. So, at sila yan.
The seasoning is later na.
Okay, later na ang season.
Press 1.
I don't know how to use these. Because we'll have to learn to use it now. Mupik ko og flavor sa akong juice. Kailangan ko ma-try og pomegranate. I've heard nga lami na ang pomegranate Greek style. The noodles, it costs 75 pesos. Siyempre, imported gani siya. Pero kanang kung apil na luto, na yun ang sudlanan, yung tin, siya 100 pesos. Kabalo.
Ito na mag-drumstick.
Wala rin fork. So, ito na ko hit-hiton kaya di ang tagabalon sa akin eh.
So, yung ano, buka pa ng chopstick.
Dili, uy. I feel so uncivilized. So, yung counter dito, banta-banta na ko.
Sama siya. Solution A.
Drain.
Train.
Arenola.
Mix the seasoning.
Never tried this. Nantaw ko og mukbang. Kuan, magluto kog noodles kay gutom ako. Cheese seasoning. Hala seaweed. Nada siya bits of seaweed. Ang cheese. Pero yung kanimaingan niyo.
Dapat na available seaweeds. Kaya siya. So, pwede siya mo ano ng seaweed yan sa counter na yung never done.
Sure.
Ang tagay ka mo kan, may magamit ko kan. Chopstick.
I think this is how you do it.
30 pesos.
30.
So, ingan yung paggamit ng chopstick. Ang usa, naon. Ang usa, ingan naon. Ano?
Alam mo din siya?
Joke na, ayun. So, yan. Ingan naon. Dayon. Dayon, ang chopstick, ingan naon. Basta, get some ice first. So, I'll get the pomegranate one. Dili po sa gawas, pwede mo mag-eat kay na may mga tables here. Just pour it in. Smells good.
Authentic na siya Korean.
Wow, alright. Muna ang first nga convenience store dito sa Bayawan na may mga authentic Korean foods. So let's try first. Wala na sila pork. Halang. Gawin siya. Halang. Seaweed is good. So, mauni siya ang gina-eat sa mga K-pop. Here. It's a weird looking spoon.
So, sana pa rin mo i-try this aling masunod.
It's so good, ha? It's time to eat some ice cream. After sa noodles, sa bulldog, I think kailangan ko mo freshen ang ako ang taste buds.
Wait, pa-assist naman sa attendant.
Ibig na lang. Like my ice cream. So, 30 pesos ni siya. Dako siya. Nago siya para 30 pesos.
Papapadagaan mo lahat.
Sige, lasa.
It is so good. I have nothing to say about it because for one, it's ice cream. Ice cream is always good. Must try na po din siya ang ice cream, guys. Diri sa all-in-one. Palit mo buldak, noodles, palit mo gid mo juice, palit mo gid mo ice cream. Pag kumain kung ubuhon mo, parehas na ako, may pharmacy ra dira. Oh. It is indeed all-in-one.